Hey guys, welcome back to Garden and Grease. I'm Nikki, and today I have a last minute Christmas gift that you can make for a gardener or to give anybody that likes beautiful flowers on their front porch or in their yard.
Okay guys, all we need is some pots, some bulbs that are really cheap right now, deep discount, 50 to 75% off at your big box stores, something to top it with, and this is going to double as a saucer. These cheap pots came with a saucer that I give these to them and they open them as gifts, they'll be able to take this off and adjust it so that it drains really well. But this is an even better one, and they can use it for other potted plants if they want. Obviously, you're going to need soil. So to start off, we need to know how deep your deepest bulbs are going to go. Now, with all the bulbs that I have here, except for the anemones, we need to go 5 inches deep. And I also want to pay attention to the height of the final plant. So I have some of these alliums. They're going to bloom later than the rest of them in early summer, but they're going to be 32 to 36 inches tall. That's a 3-foot tall plant essentially. And then it drops down to about 22, 12. We're looking at 12 on this one, and the anemones are only going to be short little plants. So we're going to take and fill our pot up to about, these need 5 inches, and I want a little bit of space above the top of the soil line. So I have mine about 7 or 8 inches down. Oh, hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. And if you guys are enjoying this video or any of the other videos that we've made, please subscribe. It makes a big difference. And I take my tallest plant, in the center is your tallest one. And then you're gonna work out from there. Your bulbs are gonna look like that on most of them. Some of them are a little pointier on the top, and they may already have little green coming off. You're going to take the base, the flat part with these little root areas. Some of them don't have roots. Some of them are just kind of flat. Flat goes down, pointy part goes up. Place it right on the soil, like so. So we're going to be placing our bulbs, tallest ones in the center, and working our way out on here.
So that's what I've kind of done. I've left some space around. I'm going to have the anemones around the edge here because they're going to be short. We're going to put soil on top of this now. Okay, so we have our soil on top of those larger bulbs that go down about 5 inches. And we're going to take our anemone bulbs. And I have to be super honest with you. These ones that I got look like rocks. I can't tell what is the pointy side and what is the flat side. I'm gonna do about 5 a piece, and I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess on these. Maybe like that. This is really hard to tell. Maybe like that. Wow, if anybody knows how to tell on these for future reference, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know how you can tell. Let me give you a good look at these things.
Okay, so we have our little anemones hopefully placed in there properly. We'll see how that goes. Now, we're going to cover those up with soil, and it says that it needs to be 3 inches deep. We're going to put 3 inches of soil on top of those. Now remember, we measured the depth of how deep we needed to go with our bulbs that needed to be 5 inches. So I actually went down an extra couple inches to have a lip on here. We put soil in here, and we brought it up to where we needed to be, how many inches from the top. Now I'm going to put 3 inches of soil on top of there, and that'll bring us a couple inches down from the edge. Voila. Okay. Like magic, we now have our soil on top of the anemones. We are at the 3-inch mark on there. We have a couple inches, well, like an inch or so above that soil mark. And I'm going to tell my recipients to water these once they get them, not saturate these. We don't want them soaking wet. They need to drain good and water them lightly once a month until spring comes. So what we're going to do to finish these off is I got these cheap plastic saucers. I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna put them right on top. Now that's gonna hold our soil in there for this whole gift giving process, and it's gonna double as a saucer if they choose to use this instead of the one that's built into the pot. Or your pots might not come with a built-in one on the bottom. To go the next level, not stop there. Let's put some pretty ribbons on these. I'm not so great at making bows. So if any of you guys have some really good tutorials or some really great ideas on how to make good bows, why don't you put that in the comments? Let me know about that. Hello, isn't that awesome? What an awesome gift. They get it for Christmas. It looks beautiful. It's a pot that they can use for years. I mean, this one's plastic. It may not last forever. They have a saucer that they can either use for this or another plant. And they have bulbs in here that are going to bloom from like early spring all the way into summer. That's a gift that just gives for a really long time. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching our video.